Welcome to Merrifield Hall, a historic landmark in the heart of the University of North Dakota campus. Built in 1929, Merrifield Hall has welcomed generations of students through its doors, shaping the minds of thousands into leaders. For nearly a century, this iconic building has stood as a symbol of knowledge, growth, and academic excellence. Now we embark on a new chapter. Merrifield Hall is undergoing an exciting transformation to ensure it remains at the forefront of learning for the next 100 years. The renovations will preserve the building's rich history while incorporating modern amenities and technologies, creating an enhanced learning environment while integrating sustainable and state-of-the-art features, including a new accessible entrance compliant with modern-day standards. This renovation project is a testament to the university's commitment to preserving its heritage and investing in the future. Merrifield Hall will continue to lead as a vibrant hub for academic pursuits, fostering collaboration and a sense of wonder for a new era at the University of North Dakota.